I am Connie Cone. I am a pretty cone. I like to sing, I like to dance. It's so much fun to skip and prance. Connie Cone. I am Connie Cone. I am a pretty cone. I like to sing, I like to dance. It's so much fun to skip and prance. Connie Cone. A 3D shape am I. Watch me go dancing by. I learn to twist and tippy-toe. Kick my legs and away I go. I am Connie Cone. I am a pretty cone. I like to sing, I like to dance. It's so much fun to skip and dance. Connie Cone. I'm Connie Cone, a surprise. Something magical before your eyes. I can dance and turn around. I can jump up and I can jump down. I am Connie Cone. I am a pretty cone. I like to sing, I like to dance. It's so much fun to skip and dance. Connie Cone. I am Connie Cone. I am a pretty cone. I like to sing, I like to dance. It's so much fun to skip and dance. Connie Cone.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully you all are doing well. I am your maths teacher and today is Friday and the date is 15 January 2021. So today is our activity day and we will learn about the math shape, and that is cone. So here is a birthday cap. Here is a beautiful birthday cap, you can see, and I will show you that it is just like a cone. You can see this. Okay, now I will tell you that how many sides and corners are there in a cone shape. So here is a one corner on the top of the cone shape. Here is one corner and the sides are two sides are there in the cone shape. One side is at the bottom. Here is the round shape, one side this, and the other side is just like curved shape, this one. I will turn this and this curved like shape is another side. So you have to remember that the cone shape has one corner on the top and the two sides, 1 and 2. Okay, I will show you some other things which are just like the cone shape. Okay, so these are the different things, and these things have the shape of cone, and one by one I will show you. Here is a yummy ice cream, and you can see the shape of this, that it is just like a cone. You can see this. Here is a one corner and one this side and another this round in shape, two sides and one corner. The second example is, here is a tree, and tree is just like a this cone shape. Here is one corner and one side and this round in second side. The third example is, here is a traffic block. ट्रैफिक पुलिस यूज़ दिस ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक जब कभी सड़क का कोई रास्ता बंद करना हो या गाड़ियों के लिए कोई रास्ता बनाना हो तो टेम्पररी तौर पर जो है ये ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक्स जो है रखे जाते हैं. सो यू कैन सी द ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक, इसकी शेप भी बिल्कुल जो है कोन की तरह है. ओके, हियर इज़ वन कॉर्नर एंड वन साइड एंड दिस इज़ सेकेंड साइड. सो कॉर्नर cone has two sides and one corner. And the fourth example is, here is a carrot. कैरेट की शेप भी देखें कोन की तरह ही है बिल्कुल. वन कॉर्नर at the bottom, this is a corner, and two sides. One side is this and second side this, round in shape. So you can observe and see the different things surrounding. और आप जब इंशाल्लाह स्कूल आएंगे तो आपने फिर मुझे डिफरेंट थिंग्स बतानी है कि अपने घर के इर्द गिर्द या पार्क में या जहाँ कहीं भी आप जाते हैं, यू हैव टू ऑब्ज़र्व एंड यू हैव टू सी दैट कौन सी चीज़ें जो है वो कोन की तरह हैं, ठीक है, उनकी शेप. एंड एट द लास्ट आई हैव मेड फॉर यू अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर विद डिफरेंट कोन शेप. ओके, ये देखिए. These are the 5 cones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cones. And you can try this at your home and you can make the flower. And if you want to give the, if you want to give the gifts to your friends, so you can make this flower with the help of cone shape. आप देखिए इनकी कोन की तरह ये सारे मैंने पेपर से जो है स्मॉल स्मॉल कोन्स बनाए हैं और उससे मैंने एक ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर बना दिए हैं. ओके ओके, नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स द रिटन वर्क एंड टुडे वी विल डू द वर्क इन वर्कशीट. I know that you don't have the worksheet because you are at your home, but inshallah when you will come back to your school I will give you the worksheets and then you will complete your work. But तब तक आपने जो है अपना concept clear करना है and I will do the written work and written practice on the worksheet and then you have to make your concept clear. Okay. Okay dear students, here is a worksheet and you have to draw this cone shape and then you have to color. First of all you will write the date and the date is 15. The month is January and that is 1. I will write I have written the 1 because the January is the first month of the year and the year is 2021. First what you have to do, you have to take the scale and one pencil, then you have to put this scale on this your right side and then you have to draw the straight line and join these dots. ओके आपने पेंसिल के साथ, जस्ट पेंसिल के साथ आपने हैंड के साथ जो है लाइन ड्रा नहीं करनी, आपने स्केल की हेल्प के साथ करना है बिकॉज स्केल के साथ जो है आपकी जो लाइन है वो बहुत नीट जो है वो ड्रा होगी. यू कैन सी दिस, आई जॉइन दिस डॉट्स with pencil. Second, at your left side you have to draw the straight line and if you remember इस तरह की शेप जो है आप ट्रायंगल में भी बनाते हैं, बट ट्रायंगल में ये होता है कि जो बॉटम वाली लाइन होती है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट इस तरह ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, बट इन कोन द बॉटम लाइन here is सर्कल ओवल शेप सर्कल. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपने थोड़ा सी ओवल शेप जो है वो इन राउंड में बनानी होती है और वो फिर कोन बन जाता है. फिर आप जो है ये राउंड शेप जो है आप स्केल की हेल्प के साथ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज स्केल इज़ स्ट्रेट इन शेप लाइक दिस एंड दिस लाइन इज़ कर्व, ठीक है, थोड़ी सी कर्व है, थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हुई है। तो फिर ये नीचे जो हम ओवल शेप राउंडिंग बनाएंगे ये हम हैंड की हेल्प से पेंसिल से बना लेंगे, ठीक है। आपने बिल्कुल इन डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस लाइन, और इस तरह ये आपकी कॉर्न की शेप जो है वो ड्रॉ हो जाएगी। एंड हेयर इज़ द spelling of cone. One time I will read this and second time you have to read with me. C-O-N-E, cone. Now read with me. C-O-N-E, cone. Here is a cone. So the cone has one corner and it has two sides. One side is this and the second side is here, round in shape, round, okay. The bottom side is round and the second side is curve in shape, curve थोड़ा सा मुड़ा हुआ है, जैसे मैंने आपको बर्थडे कैप में बताया था, ठीक है। So here is the heading of side and I have written for you the sides are 2 and the corners are, how many corners are there? Here is just one corner, okay. The second task for you, what you have to do, here are the different things and you can observe and you can see that these things have the different shapes. So what you have to do, you have to find out the cone like shape and then you have to color. Here is ice cream and it has the cone shape and I have colored for you one example, okay. And here is the birthday cap, here is a milk pack box, here is a traffic block and this is a globe, ठीक है, globe of earth, ज़मीन का जो है पूरा ये globe है। Here is ice cream, this is drum and here is another just like a cap or a ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक, ठीक है। तो आपने क्या करना है कि इनमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि कौन सी चीज़ की शक्ल जो है वो जस्ट लाइक अ कोन, और फिर आपने उसको कलर करना है। दिस ग्लोब इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ सर्कल स्फीयर, सो you don't have to color this shape, okay. आपने जो है this is just like a cube, so you don't have to color this and another जो है shapes cone की तरह हैं, आपने just उनको color करना है। So this was your the worksheet work. I hope that you learned about the sides and the corners of the cone shape. Now I will tell you that for your practice how you can make the cone with a paper. So here is a colored paper and I will tell you that you have to cut this colored paper in shape of rectangle and then you have to twist it like this, okay. You will twist this and then you will make the cone and you can see that here is a beautiful cone I made for you. So you can do the practice at your home of making these cone shapes, and what you have to do at your home in your rough copies, you have to learn the spelling of this cone, okay, and you have to write the spelling of the cone in your rough copies and also sides and corners. Inshallah, when you will come back to school, I will ask from you about the shape of the cone. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.